Hello students. Today we are going to start the new topic of the class 8th named linear equation in one variable. The equations are those which have some operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and the equal sign with a variable. Here we have equations like this. 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. From which we have to find the value of x. And for finding the value x we have remove all the terms which are present with the x. To do this, if any numerical value present in addition with x, then we have to subtract that value from both sides. If any numerical value present in subtraction with x, then we have to add that value from both sides. If any numerical value present in multiply with x, then we have to divide by that term both sides. If any numerical value present in divide with x, then we have to multiply that value both sides. To find out the value of x, we have to follow some steps. Step 1. 2x, 3 is equal to 7. Here 3 is in subtraction with 2x, so we have to add 3 both sides. After adding 3 both sides we get 2x minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 7 plus 3. 2x equals 10. Now here 2 is in multiplication with x. So we have to divide by 2 both sides. 2x divided by 2 is equal to 10 divided by 2 we get x equals 5. Hence the value of x is 5. Thanks for watching.